Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to delete your Crunchyroll account. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Crunchyroll application on my phone and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the home section, you're gonna find some suggested animes. If you go to my list, you're gonna find all of your saved animes. And if you go to the account section, right here, you're going to find all of the settings related to your Crunchyroll account. You can customize your Crunchyroll profile. You can choose your membership plan and so on. So the first thing that you need to do, guys, in order to be able to delete your Crunchyroll account is you must cancel your premium access. Once you cancel your premium access, scroll all the way down, and as you can see, guys, right here, there is no option that says delete account. So the only way to delete your Crunchyroll accounts is by clicking on need help, and then they're gonna take you to Crunchyroll help.crunchyroll.com, and then right here in the search bar we're gonna search for delete. And as you can see, guys, there is how can I delete my account. Click on it, and then they're going to take you to this page showing you all the steps that you need to know to delete your account. So the first thing is make sure that the account is free and there are no active premium subscription. As I told you guys, if you have active subscription, you can cancel them by following the instructions. To verify the ownership of your account, please submit your deletion request using the email address associated with your account. If you're unable to access to your email account, we recommend reaching out to your email address provider for assistance in recovering it. Once you have completed these steps and verified necessary informations, please proceed to submit a request to our support team by clicking on the following link: help.crunchyroll.com/hcusrequest/no new. We will help you with your deletion requests. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.